Today we are going to make Modak. Ganesh Chaturthi is right around the corner. A celebration spread over 10 days and just not complete without Modak. These tempting treats we are making today are wholesome with no added sugar, so you can enjoy as many as you like without feeling guilty.
We will begin by roasting the cashew on medium heat. Roast the cashew until they visibly start changing color. Once done, set aside and let it cool. In a dry grinder, add the cashew and pulse only a couple of times. Avoid overblending as this will release the oils in the cashew. Next, we will roast rice flour on medium heat until it releases a nutty aroma. Once done, set aside and let it cool. We are also going to need almond butter, cashew butter, and date and raisin paste. You will find the link for these recipes in the description below. To make chocolate modak, add to a food processor almond flour, date and raisin paste, almond butter, vanilla extract, rice flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, and grated dark chocolate. I'm using 80% dark chocolate. Set it to blend. Once done, scrape the sides and roughly bring the dough together. Pack the dough really well into the mold. Open carefully and scrape off the excess. To make cashew modaks, add to a food processor ground cashew, rice flour, date and raisin paste, cashew butter, beetroot powder, rose essence, and set it to blend. Once the dough has come together, add the rose petals and blend it for another 5 to 7 seconds. Once done, scrape the sides and bring the dough together. Roughly form a cone shape and pack the dough into the mold. Once done, gently expand the mold and the modak will slide out. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It always means a lot when you do. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.